Digital technologies have profoundly changed the ways we do business, buy, work, and live. They have even altered society and continue impacting virtually all business functions and industries. It's partially what digital business is about. Today, digital business mainly is used in a context of digital transformation. However, it's much more than that. It's also about digital marketing transformation. One of the high points of digital business is that you get to work for yourself because you don't have a boss. You also have the ability to work wherever and whenever you like, as long as there is internet access. Digital business are becoming famous for their low-cost startup compared with the traditional business. As technology gets more advanced, less expensive and more available, it has become even easier to start a business. The internet gives you access to much larger customer base than your personal contacts or people in your area. Online ordering systems can process payments and orders in real time, usually faster, more accurately, and cheaper than human workers. Internet marketing enables you to be open for business around the clock without worrying about store opening hours or overtime payments for staff. Offering your products on the internet is also convenient for customers. They can browse your online store at any time and place orders when it is convenient for them. By marketing on the internet, you can overcome barriers of distance. You can sell goods in any parts of the country without setting up local outlets, widening your target market. You can also build an export business without opening a network of distributors in different countries. Marketing products on the internet costs less than marketing them through a physical retail outlet. You do not have the recurring cost of property, rental, and maintenance. Internet mark Internet marketing enables you to personalize offer to customers by building a profile of their purchasing history and preferences. By tracking the web pages and product information that prospect visits, you can make targeted offers that reflects their interests. The information available from tracking websites visits also provides data from planning cross-selling campaigns so that you can increase the value of sales by customer. The internet provides an important platform for building relationships with customer and increasing customer retention levels. When a customer has purchased a product from your online store, you can begin the relationship by sending a follow-up email to confirm the transaction and thank the customer. Marketing enables you to take advantage of the growing importance of social media. The main disadvantage is the time required to learn about good security measures, including digital signatures and encryption. If you don't take the time, the damage would end up costing you even more. Those wishing to break into the internet business shouldn't feel dismayed by the disadvantages listed above, but should use them as a guide to prepare themselves for the road ahead. When taking the right steps, running an internet business can be a great success and have a greater chance of sticking around.